Hi there, so my name's Michelle and I'm doing a review for the book Maths Untangled, From Scary to Simple by the author Anne Moore. I found this book quite interesting, personally, as a person who's not talented at all in any form of maths. I'm 35 and I still find maths quite confusing, and I do struggle with them sometimes. So it's not intimidating. The wording is quite friendly. It's quite user-friendly. Some of it's quite funny, such as the fearsome fractions. I think if you can find any sort of way to inject any type of humour into a learning apparatus, it just makes it that bit more comfortable and a little less intimidating, and sometimes can make it even easier to understand. So the book also involves a complete index of all the mathematical words and terms and what they mean, and describes what they mean, again, as quite user-friendly versions, so it's not too complex. Again, quite easy to understand. Also includes colour coding as well, so you know which maths problems correlates to the subject that it's talking about. Also actually includes math problems and actually shows you the working of it, so you could write it down and understand how to work it out yourself. So that is, I think, always important, because you do need to understand how to get to A from B, especially with numbers and maths, and it shows you how to do that. So the book's also got, excuse me, so it includes all aspects of mathematics. It goes from basic adding and subtraction, percentages, algebra, and also deals with money as well, which I think is actually really important, because I really don't think maths is taught, money personally as a math subject is taught enough to young people in schools. I think a lot of people leave not really knowing what it's about. It's because it is just more than numbers. So also the book contains some information about the author as well. Its style goes from her beginnings in teaching, how she ended up to being involved in the subject, and she also gives reasons as to why she wrote this book and to what her aim is. And her aim is to achieve just to help anybody and everybody with numbers and maths, give them that little bit more confidence and a little bit more certainty when dealing with numbers and maths, which personally I would find helpful. Like, some parts were almost like refresher training. It was really, really good. So yeah, 10 out of 10 I'd highly recommend. I'd recommend anybody from school age, hires, college, or somebody just like myself, just a normal mum looking to remind themselves a little bit better of how numbers work, especially with the pandemic at the moment and homeschooling. That's been fun. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and yeah, highly recommend. Thank you.